In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the information from All-in-One SEO search statistics to improve your rankings in search. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO setup wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. In the last video, I showed you 3 ways to improve your ranking in search using search statistics to more or less identify pieces of content that were dropping in search and could use improvement. And in this video, I'll show you 3 ways that you can improve the SEO of one of those pages that's slipping in the search rankings. So let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Search Statistics. Then we're going to click on the Keyword Rankings tab up top. And I can see my first piece of content here is down 3 spots since the last time it was checked. So let's click on this little caret here, open this up a little bit, and then I'm going to hover over this post called A Nutritionist Reveals How to Lose Weight with Intermittent Fasting. This is a post about fasting, and I'm going to click the link that says Edit Post. So this piece of content is actually doing really well. It's got an 88 out of 100 score in All-in-One SEO, but we did find it in the Search Statistics module as a piece of content that was dropping in the rankings. So even with a score of 88 out of 100, I bet there's some things that we can improve. I'm going to click on that AIOSEO button, and I'm just going to pull up General, and I can see my basic SEO has 3 errors, and my readability has 3 errors. So let's focus on the basic SEO. It's telling me my focus key phrase is not in my introduction. So if I click on the focus key phrase, we'll see what that focus key phrase is. It's intermittent fasting. And then I can look at my introduction here and see if I can add in the phrase intermittent fasting. So we can see in our intro paragraph here, it says, hey there, lots of adults over 40 have a hard time losing weight even when they try different diets and exercise every week. So why don't we just add in, but have they tried intermittent fasting? And as you may have seen, the All-in-One SEO column on the right automatically updated. The red X changed to a green check mark. And now the focus key phrase is in the content. So that's one way that we can improve the SEO of our page using the information we've grabbed from search statistics. And this is the first step we've taken to improve this content. We've already bumped up from an 88, which was an excellent score to start with, to 90. So let's look at the second item here, meta description length. It's telling me my meta description is over 160 characters. So I'm going to scroll down past the content to the All-in-One SEO settings section. And we'll see what we have here for meta description. So it's saying meta description, it's using a post excerpt but that's 2,041 characters. We want 160 max. I'm willing to bet we don't have a post excerpt set, so it's just using the entire content of our page. So I'm going to scroll back up. I'm just going to copy the intro paragraph here, the one we just added the intermittent fasting bit to. And let's click on this little button next to the all-in-one SEO button. And let's click on post. And then let's expand excerpt. So yes, as I suspected, I don't have a post excerpt written. So it's basically WordPress is just taking the entire content of the page as the post excerpt, which of course is way too long. So let me drop in an excerpt here. And then let's go back down below the content of the page to our meta description. And it's saying the post excerpt is still a little bit too long. So I'm going to go over to that post excerpt, try to decide what we can get rid of. We definitely don't need hey there. Don't need every week. Let's see where we're at now. Now we're at 151 of 160 max recommended characters. So I took that intro paragraph we have and I just basically took out some of the fluff and made a shorter version of it for the post excerpt. So if I go back on the all-in-one SEO button, you can see we've already bumped up again to a 92 out of a 100 now. And I click back on that general area and back on basic SEO, we have now fixed 2 of the 3 errors. Our focus key phrase is now in the introduction and our meta description length is good. So that's 2 fixes, 1 more to go. Number 3, external links. No outbound links were found. Link out to external resources. So we can add some external links to this page. So let's scroll back up to the top of the page and I'm going to look for a place to put a link in the beginning of the content. I want to link intermittent fasting here out to an external resource. So I have the Wikipedia page for intermittent fasting pulled up. Let's pull my browser down a little bit so you guys can see my address bar. I'm going to copy this out using Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a Windows machine. And then we're going to head back on over to my post. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a link to that Wikipedia page. I'm going to paste that in using Command-V on a Mac, Control-V on a Windows machine. I am going to have it open in a new tab so people don't lose sight of my site. And I'll throw a no follow link on there. So we've added 1 external link. I want to do one other one for good measure down more towards the bottom of the content. Got another link out here to intermittent fasting. This time, I'm going to pull up this page from the Mayo Clinic. So again, I'm just going to copy out that URL and add another link, open in a new tab, no follow. So now we've got 2 links, 2 external content. And as you can see on the right-hand column here, the external links item has changed from a red X to a green check mark, and our score is all the way up to a 94 out of 100, which is fantastic. So here's 3 very simple ways you can use the information we got out of search statistics to improve the SEO of your page. When you're all done, make sure you click the blue update button to update your content, and we're done. So that's how to use the information in all-in-one SEO search statistics to improve your rankings in search. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this video right here, you can see part 1, 3 search statistics power hacks to improve your ranking in search. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.